In the last video, we have seen some of the IC engine components, and in this video, we will see rest of the components. So next one is pocket valves. A valve is a device that regulates, directs or controls the flow of a fluid. The fluid may be gas, liquids, fluidized solids or slurries. In IC engine, it must be a petrol or diesel or any type of liquid fuel. By opening or closing or partially obstructing various passageways, the intake and exhaust valves open at the proper time to let in air and fuel to let out exhaust. Note that both valves are closing during compression and combustion, so that the combustion chamber is sealed. The material may be phosphorus, bronze and monel metal. So next one is spark plug. The main function of a spark plug is to conduct the high potential from the ignition system into the combustion chamber. It provides the proper gap across which spark is produced by applying high voltage to ignite the mixture in the ignition chamber. So this is the spark plug, the main function of spark plug. So next one is governor, a device for regulating automatically output of a machine by regulating the supply of working fluid. When the speed decreases due to increase in load, the supply valve is opened by mechanism operated by governor, and the engine therefore speeds up again to its original speed. Thus, the function of a governor is to control the fluctuations of engine speed due to changes of load. So this is the this is the constructional view of the governor. So next one is carburetor. The function of a carburetor is to atomize and meter the liquid fuel and mix it with the air as it enters the induction system of the engine. So maintaining fuel air proportion under all conditions of operations appropriate to the conditions. So that is this is the construction of a simple carburetor. And next one is gudgeon pin or piston pin. So these are hardened steel parallel spindles fitted through the piston bosses and the small in bushes or eyes to allow the connecting rods to swivel. It connects the piston to the connecting rod. It is made up of plain carbon steel. It must be hollow for lightness. The next one is push rod. So push rod is used when the camshaft is situated at the bottom end of the cylinder. It carries the camshaft motion to valves which are situated at the cylinder head. So next one is rocker arm. Rocker arms are typically in between the push rod and the intake and exhaust valves. They allow the push rods to push up on the rocker arms and therefore push downs on the valves. So the material may be medium carbon steel and the manufacturing methods may be forging. So next one is camshaft. Camshaft is used in IC engines to control the opening and closing of inlet and exhaust valves at proper timing. For proper engine output, inlet valve should open at the end of the exhaust stroke and closed at the end of the intake stroke. So to regulate its timing, a cam, these are the cams, this lobe kind of structure or cam is used, which is oval in shape, and it exerts a pressure on the valve to open and release to close. It is driven by the timing belt which drives by crankshaft. It is placed at the top or bottom of the cylinder. It is made up of plain carbon steel and the manufacturing method may be grinding, case hardening. So these all are the different components of an engine. And while facing in an university examination, the material, what type of materials are used to manufacture the components are most important. So while preparing, please keep in your mind that all the materials should be noted, and the manufacturing process also should be noted. So prepare well. Thank you.